Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to share files using Quick Share on Samsung. Alright, let's begin. To share files quickly on your Samsung device, start by opening the notification panel from the top of your screen. Tap on the Quick Share icon and select Everyone, followed by Done. This sets up Quick Share for use with nearby devices. Next, open your Photos app or any other file manager where you have stored the files you want to share. Select the target image or file and choose Share from the bottom menu options. Then tap on Quick Share from the sharing menu that appears. All available devices with Quick Share enabled will be displayed. Select one and accept any transfer requests that appear. Once accepted, your file transfer will initiate immediately. Alternatively, if you prefer not to use direct device-to-device transfers, you can also generate a QR code for sharing files via web links. Simply scan this QR code with another device to access a web page where they can download shared files directly. Or if recipients are far away, you can then select the Contacts feature and send the link via SMS. The recipients will then be able to access the content wherever they are. So that's basically how you can share files using Quick Share on Samsung. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.